All right, today I have Fellowes 100 sheet auto feed micro cut shredder, which I'm going to be unboxing and showing you how it works. Now, this Fellowes 100 sheet auto feed micro cut shredder can cut 100 sheets, not all at one time. It actually can only do about 10 sheets, I believe, at one time, 8 to 10 sheets. But you can stack 100 sheets into the feed, not to the feeder, to this part right here, and it will automatically feed it into the shredder. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to go ahead and take my box opening tool and open it up. Right here it says AutoMax 100MA, that's the model number, I believe. World's toughest shredders, made by Fellowes right here. This instructions, make sure you read this and abide by it before you actually operate your machine. And here is something, register to win $500 cash. Save this for later. All right, so here's a shredder. In here in the box, I believe the first things that come out are, what is this, hefty box right here, is the wheels. The wheels right here, they are swivel wheels with locks into place. You can actually lock them. And there's pegs right here that go into the bottom of the shredder. And then here are two more. So there's 4 wheels with pegs on them. I'm going to go ahead and place these. There are the wheels. And inside, we're going to get inside of this right here. And inside is the shredder. It has some weight to it. I'll pull that out. And this is, I believe, the top of the shredder. The cord. Now I'm going to get to this. I'm going to show you this actually in action momentarily. This plastic. Don't forget to remove the plastic on the plug. Unravel this little wire right here. So this is the plug, and this is what it looks like at the top. I'm going to show you more of this, but here are the controls. There's some warnings on here. A lot of warnings on here. Look at that a little bit. And then this right here is the basket. And it also has some weight on this. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to put the wheels on it. Here's some basic instructions. What does this say? It says, well, this is how it pretty much operates. Right there. Put that on top, blah, blah, blah. You can pull out the basket. Oh, so this comes out right here. So when you're ready to empty it. That's a pretty cool feature to have. I'll go over that momentarily. Right here, put it in place, voila, and plug. Pretty simple instructions right here for Fellowes right here. Go in that. There's cardboard in here. It's looks like very biodegradable cardboard. And so I'm going to put this on right here, and I'm going to place this on top, and then we're going to get to the point to where I'm shredding it up like shredder. Place this on top. sure it fits in there properly. All right, snaps in. And it's an important reminder right here. It shows you right here. And perhaps I should have put the wheels on first. That's what you probably should have done, but I'm going to do that retroactively. Just going to go ahead and put the wheels into place. Just simply slide them in. There's 4 pegs, wheels with pegs. Just go ahead and place them in. So now we're rolling. And so this cabinet comes out right here to where you can dump it out. Now some people I have heard put plastic bag in here somehow. Attach a plastic bag so they can just take the plastic bag out, or perhaps a paper bag. Put it out. I'm just going to leave it like this. Shut it. And if you look at the top right here, there is a label or a sticker on here that shows you have to turn it on. So press it on this side right here. I'll show you right here. So the line, get in closer. So this right here, when the line is switched, that means is in the on position. The circle is the off position. Make sure it is on the line right here, that's so you can have your shredder working properly. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with shredding some paper. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I have it right here. I'm ready to shred some paper. I have some paper that I need to shred. See that? Now, it comes with 2 controls on here, as well as some warnings on here. Remember, I turned the switch on in the back. If you don't want this always on, remember, just go to the switch, turn it off. You see the power light turns off, just like this. And turn it on because I'm about to shred. Now that it's on, just go ahead and put some paper right here. It automatically detects and can shred paper. Now there is a reverse. There's a reverse button right here. I'm going to show you, but let's go ahead and take a look at how it micro shreds everything. Look at this. See that? These are the micro shreds that they were talking about. Very micro shreddable. There's a warning right here. Look on here. It shows that the drawer is open. Little plastic peel off. So there's a series of warnings on here. You can find out through the instructions. So that right there showed that the door is open. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of sheets in there and show you the reverse feature before I get to how you can load in 100 sheets of paper. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Just use 1 sheet. I'm going to put 1 sheet in, and I'm going to show you the reverse feature. So I'm putting it in. See, I pressed that and it stopped. And then press it a couple of times, I think it reversed. You have to read the owner's manual. So I pressed it once, it stopped, and then I pressed it again, and it started to reverse. And now I put it back in, and it's going on. So now I'm going to show you, Sauce, how you can set it up to do 100 sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this back right here. And you can put the sheets in right here. But I'm going to show you inside of this really quickly. So this is where they roll down, just in case you have any issues with it. See all of that. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And I'm going to take almost 100 sheets, and I'm going to place them right here. And then once you place them in there, this is going to start blinking. And this icon right here that's blinking right here is saying pretty much in robot terms, press me and I'll start. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And that was too many sheets for it. I'm not exactly sure what the issue was with that, but it was only supposed to take one of the sheets. Let me see if that works right here. So I'm going to press play. So now it's taking one sheet at a time and going through it. So it shredded that. So I put several sheets in there. For some reason, it did not just take one sheet when I had the larger stack in there. I guess maybe they were stuck together or old sheets, but theoretically you could place a bunch of sheets in here and then it will take it and automatically feed inside of this. So that's one of the cool features about that. Let's see if it does it in this. Yes, so it takes one sheet and goes in there, and then the next sheet. And when you do it this way, you don't have to continuously try to feed sheets to it. You can see what you're doing, stack it in there, let it shred, and be about your day. And that is the Fellowes shredder right here. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.